Welcome to my YouTube channel. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. If you are new here, welcome to Miss T's channel, where we are all about the lifestyles, right? But hey, everybody, welcome back. It's another video, it's another vlog. Today we are going to be going hiking. I am so excited, guys. It's going to be crazy, amazing with a group of friends and stuff. But it is quite chilly. It's currently 6:30 in the morning and they're coming to fetch me very soon. I have to prepare and get ready, and it's cold. It is really cold, and I'm really hoping what I'm gonna wear is gonna keep me warm. But you know, with the hike we're gonna be active, so we're trying to live a healthy life. But yes, I can't wait to show you guys this place. It's an amazing place to go with your friends. But yes, let me get ready. I'm gonna be running late, and yeah, I can't wait to show you guys this amazing place. Let's get the day started, and please like, subscribe, and share, and comment. Bye. Here's a waterfall. Listen to that. Precious Iri, hello. Hi. So let's let the little adventure begin. So one thing I appreciated was it only takes about 49 minutes to actually get to Cradle Moon from Pretoria Central, which makes the journey easier, and there was no traffic. Okay, so we have arrived to Cradle Moon and we are on our way to the hike. Sunscreen applied. Black don't crack, but that don't mean you can protect yourself. The place is beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys what this place looks like. Like, wow. I'm making my videos. Let's get it started. Go, yes, girl. For the camera, smile for the camera, smile. Yes, girl. You are ready. Yes. Louisa. The back. It looks what? Shaved. Precious. Girl. That's so cute. A whole zebra. Oh. Is it a picture or a video? It's a video. I'm a city girl. I don't see these things. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Get it. Black and white. Black and white. An ox is a cow. Male, yeah. Okay, Mara, a bull. Isn't a bull the one that's supposed to be? Just a cow. No, Mara, isn't the bull the one that's the cow? Who is gonna tell us? No, serious. Who's an ox? Are you talking about the thing, the cow that's on the money, the 100 rand? I think so. That's the thing about fish. An ox is a male cow. Is any cattle over 4 years of age that has been trained to do work. Yeah. What? So is it a cow or it's a bull? Any breed of cat can be trained to become an ox. So an ox is a cat, but basically, yeah, it's trained.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
Content.
Let's go. You are, yes, baby girl.
No, I'm not a baby girl.
Hi. Where are you, precious?
There's two people in front of her.
Are you still alive?
I'm feeling hard to relax. Now it's starting to like. You see what? You take that?
It's too late. Yes, baby girl. Yes. It's the sun giving. It's the show very giving. Just a little bit.
It doesn't matter. The video will be nicer. If you go in the water, the video will be nicer.
Yeah.
He says the video will be nice. Don't sing too much.
We're not gonna sing too much. I hope.
Yo, Jesus Christ.
This thing is shaking.
He says it doesn't matter. The video will be nice. Yes, many views before then.
Is it giving?
It's giving.
Thank you. Yes. So here's the gist. We had actually gotten lost and had lost the other half of the other group, which had already progressed more into the journey, and we were busy delaying because we were busy making content. So this was us trying to figure out, where are we? How did we already get to the fountain already? Which was supposed to be the last part of the whole journey. I told you we're supposed to go that way.
Which way are you going?
Yeah, that way.
The other way, that green path.
Oh, let's go fake news.
Hey. See your ancestor. Hey. Yay. Louisa. Did you see her sister? There was this beautiful lake. It was just breathtaking, and it had the mountains over it, and it was just, it was a sight for sore eyes, as the saying goes. They have a place for weddings, guys. If you want to get married, this is a beautiful spot, and this is the view you get. Yes, I would definitely have a venue here for the weddings, for the wedding teams. I believe the section that we were at was where people could hold weddings, events. It was really lovely. I loved the little place there, the building that had the view of the lake, and it was so nice. So if ever you want to get married or hold an event there, you better go. Nice trail. Don't fall. The hike is killing, guys. We're already burning. How many kilometers have we walked already?
Like 1.5
yep.
or 2.
Girl, We're doing 9. Are you serious?
No, I mean like the one that we walked. Isn't like 1.5.
Yeah, I think we already like walked like a good 1.5. But guys, it's burning.
You buy things that you know you're gonna eat.
Yeah, like the canned food. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Some rib eye.
This one will not survive.
I won't survive.
It will not survive. Oh, we love the views. We love the views. This is the perfect place to get a good glimpse of nature, be one with it, and kind of just see God's creation, guys. This is beautiful. This is a good chance just to understand how amazing God is, y'all.
And the water here is green.
The water is so green. It's so green. Mara, you're still alive. So far so good.
So far so good. We're trying. Can't complain.
We're almost there. Yeah.
Let's go.
Wait, how many kilometers? 2.49k. We can just say we're 2k, 2.5k. Yeah. It was like this whole place was. Yes. Especially me who keeps slipping. Trish, be careful. Yeah. Easy. Halala. Shine. Halala. Next. No, it's just like a house type of thing. Yes, girl. Show them.
It's not giving for the pictures.
Yeah. It was supposed to be green.
It was like fully green. You take me.
It was green. I got you. Yes, girl. In fact, this is people who have faith. They have faith. This is what we call having faith.
Tasha.
Yes.
You still have class on Monday. You still have class on Monday. Hey.
You want me to take you?
Me, I'm not. Oh, Jesus. Do you all have medical aids?
I'm here for it. The content creator.
This is my best party in life.
the sun just making us like, yo. This place was amazing, guys. It was view after view. Every place we went to, every corner we turned, every hill we climbed, it was just always fascinating and breathtaking, honestly. Hey. It's for something boom. Are we alive? Are we alive? As you know. Exactly. Thank you. By now I think we should be, my lips are dry. By now we should be at least at 5 kilometers. We're doing 9 kilometers, but this is crazy. Like, guys, we're pushing, push and pull, but we're moving. We're on the way. Oh, but the view and the place is beautiful. It's so lovely. I'd recommend a lot of people to come here just to like walk, relax, get out of the city life. Precious is dying. Are you okay?
I can't even smell at all.
Don't die on us. We're on the other side. Yeah, guys, we're dying. But we're almost there. Just keep swimming, just keep hiking, just keep hiking. This bushy trail of theirs. Yeah. This bushy trail of theirs. We're almost there. Precious! Just keep hiking. Are you alive back there? Are we alive back there? Yeah, boy. Hear the waterfall. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Miss me. This is how the Israelites felt when they were entering the promised land. They had made it. Yeah. Can you just hear the waterfall? Listen to that. It's so peaceful. Oh. You made it. You made it. Yeah, you made it. You made it. Yeah, you made it. Hey, you made it. Hey, you made it. Are we alive? Are we alive? Are we alive? Oh, yes. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, look at that. A cute rainbow even. Let me get a closer look. Let's not fall when we've just made it, yeah? Hi, boo. Oh, so pretty. This is worth the hike. This is so worth the hike. The water just be splashing on us. Oh, look at that. Are we good? Rate your hike, rate your hike. Are you happy? 2 over 10. She did not. At this point, everybody was exhausted. Everybody had hiked to the max, and we were just all tired and ready to call it a day, go home, sleep, and just rest. Oh my word. But this was an amazing adventure. This was the best hike. It was easy. It was not too difficult. Even if you're a beginner, I would recommend you to start here because it's very fun. What?
I'm hungry. I'm tired. I want to take a shower.
Yes.
A cold one.
Yes.
And a swim. Jay.
Finish and clap. As you can see, I'm exhausted. I'm ready to collapse. Precious was dozing off in the car. She was gone. And we were just ready to get home and sleep, honestly. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog of us going to Cradle Moon. And I hope you had as much fun watching it as I had making it. And I hope to see you guys. Not I hope, I will see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe, comment and share. you guys for watching. See you next time.